Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you're catching me from. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. This is day 5 of our Trading for a Living series. Today we'll be looking at how to use TradingView's trading platform. Many people have messaged me and asked me for a general overview of how to use TradingView software. So I decided to upload this day 5 video so you can make use of it, okay? In the previous day 4 video, we talked about MT5 and how to use it. We went into details. But this is actually the overview of TradingView. So in this video, I will discuss some of the main features of the TradingView software. I have used different other charting software also so far, but TradingView have more flexibility and more enhanced features, so it can make your trading analysis very simple. TradingView is very user-friendly. It has one of the best user interface so far. And if you are a new trader, I recommend you use MT5 or MT4 or maybe TradingView. So use MT5 for your execution, use your TradingView for your analysis, okay? But before you can use TradingView, you must sign up on their website. So I have included the link to the TradingView website in the description of this video. So click on the link, sign up to TradingView, and let's see what we can do. So when you open their website for new, this is what you're going to see, or maybe different banner, but this is their general banner. So after you log in, you see this interface, and as I discussed earlier, TradingView offers free and paid version. TradingView gives 1 month free trial to access some of the advanced features, but after 1 month trial, they will take those enhanced and advanced features from your interface. So though you can make market analysis, but you'll not be able to access some of these advanced features again after the free trial expires, okay? So basically, if you don't want to pay for the advanced operation, then you have to just use TradingView as a platform to analyze your chart only. But if you want to pay, you go on and then you pay for the advanced operation and you get more details and more of the enhanced features, okay? So without wasting much time, let's explore some of the major features of the TradingView. First, let's discuss about the settings and what you can see. So let's see what you can get now. Welcome to TradingView, guys. If you open your first TradingView charts window, this is actually what you're going to see. If you are a new beginner or you are just new to TradingView, this is what you see actually. So this is their website, and you can see here tradingview.com. You can see. So what you have to do is after you sign in, they will tell you to either upgrade to a paid version, or if you still want to continue with the free version, you can go on with the free version. There are some featured markets here, and we don't want these markets. There is some kind of watch list here created by default and others, but I'm not going to use all these ones. So we have to just search for a market here. See, we come to the search, and then we decide to search for a market here, and let's say we want to type in market. So let's say you want to search for German 40 or euro versus the dollar or anything. So let's say euro USD, right? So we click euro USD and we launch the chart. So guys, put in mind that's where you search, okay? So the chart will launch, and this is the interface. Welcome to TradingView, guys. This is the interface. So what can you see? What can you see here? You can see some lines, right? These are my indicators I used to trade, but I'll teach you that one later in the series. Let me hide them so that you not get confused. So I can go to my indicator and I can say make it invisible, and I can also make this one invisible. Okay, good. So this by default what you see. So when you open TradingView, this is what you see. As I said, you can see some default watch list here. What is a watch list? A watch list is like selected kind of securities or asset that you're watching. Maybe you just want to see the values in change or whatever you want to see about. Just select your own preference and put them here, but you're not going to use them. So let's close it. So I'm closing, guys. So you can come here. Can you see the mouse cursor? You come here and you close it. It's gone. So by default, this is what you're going to see. So what are some of the main features you can see here? This is the main chart, right? Good. And which time frame are we? We are in the 15 minutes time frame. Can you see, guys? So this is where we set time frames. Can you see? If you want to set your time, that's the first thing you have to do if you are trading, because you can't just trade any time frame, right? You must know the time frame. So your time frame you are trading. So that's the first thing you have to know. It's your time frame. Which time frame are we? So we are in 15-minute time frame. Can we change it? Yes, we can change it. So I can click here, and it will show me the rest of the time frame. So I can choose 1 second. 1 second, don't go there, okay? It's too fast. Can go for 30 minutes, can go for 45 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours. So let's say an hour, right? An hour, or let's just stick to our 15 minutes for this demonstration purposes. So you can change your time frame using TradingView here. Okay, so the next important thing you can also check is how to adjust your chart settings. So let's see. After you know your time frame you're trading, you must also adjust the chart to suit your preference, right? So how do you adjust this chart? You can scroll it to where you are looking for, right? You can scroll, or you can scroll forward. Can you see? You can scroll forward. Now look at this, this is very important. You can also drag, look at the mouse cursor, see here on this bar, right? You can click and hold and drag. See, can you see? You can click and hold and drag to make it more smaller or to suit your own taste, or you can still leave it by default to where it is. Can you see, guys? Can you see? Good. Or you can come to this side too. Maybe you want to expand the size of the candle. So let's see. Watch what the mouse cursor, guys. Watch, I'm coming here. Watch it. So I can drag, make it more wider. Can you see? Can you see it become more wider? Or I can still return it to where it was, as I like it like that. Can you see? So this is how you can adjust the chart, because you cannot just start trading without adjusting your chart to suit your preference. So this is how you're going to adjust your chart to suit your own preference. So first, check your time frame. That's where we set time frame here. Set time frame here at the top here. Can you see? And then second, you must also adjust your chart to suit your own preference. The next thing you can also do on TradingView is how to change the color scheme or the color settings. So how do you change the chart settings? If you want it by default like this, then you leave it like this. But you can also change this color of the candlesticks. Okay, so how do you do it? You can either go to settings here and you click settings, or instead of going all the way there, then we close it, you can just right click, right, and you choose settings. Okay, choose settings. So what do you see here? When you click settings, you can see a lot of things. You can see the symbol represents the chart you are trading. So can you see the body of the candle, green and red, right? You can change the colors to suit your own preference. You can click and change the colors, but you maintain it like this. But let me just change it for you to see something. Let's go to which color? Blue. Okay, blue. So you see, can you see it has changed to blue? Yeah, but we prefer green. Okay, let's leave it to green, or you can even change it to a little lighter green, or let's maintain our old green. Okay, by default, our old green, because that's by default. So you keep it like that. What else can we do? You can change a lot of things. The wicks. What are wicks? Wicks are these lines around the candle. Can you see these lines? Wicks. Which wick are you going to use? Are you still going to use the same color? So this by default. You can also change it to suit your own preference, guys. You can change all this to suit your own preference. You can come to the status line. What do you find in the status line? Title. Can you see? Title and description. Let's come to the top here. See, guys, the top here. This is what they're talking about. So we can do all these settings here. When you click, you can see the differences. Okay, so when you click and you watch what is going to happen, you can also move and drag it here. You can drag it somewhere you want. Oh, it's not dragging. Okay, good. So you can drag it so that you can see whatever you are doing. So whatever you click here, make sure you check to see which effect is having on the chart, so that you know whether that's what you want or you want something different. The chart scaling is also here. You can scale the charts to suit your preference, and the appearance and so on. So you can change the size, the color, and the scale of the chart. Okay, put that on your head for now. So now we've learned how to change the time frame, right? Good. How to change the color of the candlesticks if you don't like. How to adjust the charts using these bars, right? Can adjust the chart to make it them bigger or smaller, right? We have also learned how to change the color of the wicks if you don't want them. The next thing you can do is maybe you want to change from candles to line charts or bar charts. So what do you do? Where do you get it from? You see, here is the time frame. Now the next one is candles. So you click on candles and select any of these ones. You can get to bars, candlestick as we are in right now, hollow candles, columns, line, area. All these ones are ways where you can view the market. But the most common ones are the candlesticks and the bar chart, or even the line chart. So let's just try one of them. Let's say bar charts, right? So bar charts. So click on bar charts, and then let's see if the chart will change to bar chart. So as you can see, now we are now having bar chart on our chart, right? Bar chart on our graph. So is it easy to trade with bar chart? Well, if you have studied and you understand it well, but the most common one you're going to use will be the candlestick, okay? So don't worry yourself about the bar chart and this line chart. So now back to our candlestick, guys. Back to our candlestick, because this is a common one we all use, we professionals we used to trade, okay? So don't worry yourself about bar chart and line chart. Just focus on candlesticks. So what else can we do? What else can we do to this chart? Okay, I close this, can come again. Let me close it, okay? Close, gone. Okay, you know how to do it now. Good. Now let's go to our toolbar. Let's see what you can use from our toolbox. So here, can you see the mouse pointer? Can you see? This is where we have our tools here. What are you going to use these tools to do? As a professional trader, you're going to use these tools to analyze the market. They're going to help you to analyze the market in your own way. It's like using your pencils and your pens in school the same way. These are the tools that help you to analyze the market in your own way. Okay, in your own way. So which tool can we use first? Let's see the first tool. What do you get? Here you can get a line. Let's open. Can you see there's a small arrow here? So let's see what option do we have. The option we have, let's see. Okay, so we have trend line, we have arrow, we have ray, and a whole lot. Which one will you be using? Actually, as a professional trader, you'll be using few of these. Like any of them that suits your preference. So we normally use trend line. So let's draw a trend line. Click. That's the first one. You click on the trend line. So we are going to use the trend line to analyze our market. Okay. So we draw our trend line and we click again. Let's see what we can do. So we can use our trend line tool to draw our trend lines to analyze our market. Okay, so here's the trend line tool. We draw our trend lines. We click and drag. You can also delete them. Use the delete button. You can click. And if you want to delete, just click delete. And it will be deleted. And then you just take it off your chart. Okay, so that's how you use the trend line tool. So guys, we learned how to draw trend lines, how to change the time frame, how to change from candlestick to line chart or anything you like. You've also learned how to adjust the chart itself. But there's a particular tool I want you to pay attention to. This particular tool, see, can you see? When you click here, here's where you're going to do your predictions and buy and sell. This particular tool. So let's say you want to go long, right? Let's practice right now. We are not buying, we are just practicing. We're going to go long. Long means you want to buy. So let me click long. If I click on long position, I will now come to where I want to buy. So I want to buy from here. I can say click. So from here you can click and adjust your stop loss and your profit target. So that's how you buy it. So the same way, if you want to sell, the same method, just that instead of selecting buy, you go for sell. So guys, there are so many ways to use. You can do so many things you can do on TradingView. You can see the buy is going through, right? So many things you can do. You can adjust your profit target higher or lower if you like. But what's here at the top here? You can see that right now we are trading Euro USD, right? It can be any chart at all. So if you want to search for another chart, you click here and you see, can you see it says set symbol? Can you see? So you click here and then you search for any symbol that you want. If you want to input indicator like moving average or any indicator, you come to the top here. Are you following the cursor, guys? Come to the top here and input any indicator you want. If you want to set alert such that your chart will alert you when price gets to a certain point, this is where you come to. Okay, this also chart replay. Replay means you want to replay the chart to go to the backtest area. So you want to backtest your strategy, so you replay the chart to clean, so it will start playing like a live market. Okay, that's how you use the replay button. Also, when you come here, you can see this button here. You have only one window, so when you open, if you have subscribed and you open, they will open multiple windows for you, and you can open dual windows. You can look through your chart within two windows. Okay, so that'll be it for now. Just go through. Since you are new, just go through, take your time and go through, and you see most of the features by yourself. Me speaking plenty here will not do anything good. Just that you have to go through. These are the basic functions. You have to just go through, and you see a lot of things TradingView can do for you without even having to watch any video. Okay, so just go through with the basics I've taught you, and keep time and then just focus. Okay, so guys, in conclusion, I will say that TradingView is a very good trading platform. It has more enhanced features and allow you to analyze your market very easy. So as I said earlier, take your time, go to the charting platform and then just see things for yourself. Okay, practice and keep practicing and keep practicing, and one day become perfect with it. That's how every software is. But no matter how much I talk, you still not grab the whole concept. So just go through and keep clicking and keep playing with it. Okay, and you get a general idea of how the software works. So that will be it for this video. Hit the like and subscribe to my channel. As you know, there is a new channel and help me grow this channel. Okay, thank you. See you in the next video.